Okay, YouTube, on this welded up bike I'm working on. See, that tire got a wobble. I stepped on it a little bit so it'll stop rubbing the frame. I could work with that. The sprocket I welded on there had a, let's see where I put the, I used a marker, and if you can see the gold, that's where it was touching at. So I start whacking on that. I think I got that pretty good. That's runnable. It's got a little run out, but that's runnable. Now, I don't know. I'm contemplating on if I want to try to get in there and put a little weld on the backside. But this is where I'm at. At first, every time I would roll the tire, it would rub. Because it does have a little run out, if you see. But we should be able to make it work. That's where we at. Also went ahead and cleaned up my other pipe I was going to make. Let's see here. We can give y'all a dose of that. So this is pretty much going to be welded in there like so. I don't know where my flanges went, but as soon as I locate the flange, oh, it's on these pliers. Lift up the flange a bit, and that's going to go right up on there like so. Stay tuned for that. I'll be done with that in just a minute. Sitting here smoking, taking a little smoke break. Need to make a mount for my engine and weld that in. I'll probably do that tomorrow. But yeah, I'm contemplating on if I should try to get up in there and put a little tack weld on the back side of that sprocket. Probably can't manage to do it though. Let's see here. Because I don't got... I think I could do it. Stay tuned, man. We're going to finish getting this thing right. Got disc brakes on it. It's got an odd wheel set. Just a little bike I'm throwing together out of parts. My buddy gave me a free motor, so I'm going to build something out of it. Rolling good, though. That tire rolling good. Tire rolling real good. Welded up these tabs a little bit, so because every time you want to tighten the wheel up, it'll like kick it to a different angle. So we got that situated. Man, that tire's rolling good. Ain't too many I got like that rolling good. But so where we at is I might try to get up in here and just throw a couple tack welds on that back side of that sprocket, and hopefully I can get that done without melting a spoke or something. And put that chain on it right. And yeah, this gear is kind of got some slop in it. The chain doesn't pop off though, but contemplated on maybe welding these bolts to the sprocket. Tack welding all of them bolts to the sprocket just to get it from moving. I might do that as well. So stay tuned. We're gonna get her right. I'll weld her up. Gonna be welded. Yep, welded everywhere. But that's where we at. I'll get back with y'all.